Hi, and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you like the content. In our previous videos, we have been discussing the issue of overthinking and the difference between overthinking and deep thoughts. Now, of the most dilemma in overthinking is that often don't realize you are doing it, until it is too late. This is where self-awareness comes in, or the ability to pay attention to your thoughts. Monitoring your inner world not only helps you get to know yourself better, but it also keeps you from falling into unhelpful thought pattern. The thing is, self-awareness can be though, especially when your work and your life are demanding. But it is also easy to be on mental autopilot but going into your motions diving the day. The good news is that self-awareness can be cultivated with a little bit of effort and intention. Think of it like a muscle. The more you work on cultivating your self-awareness, the easier it will be for you to catch yourself overthinking. Consider taking up a mindfulness practice that prompts you to reflect on your thoughts through the day. Meditation is a great option, but if you are not a fan, try taking up a moment for reflection at natural points during your workday. You can try it after lunch or before you pack up for the day. Use this moment to simply tune on and examine what is going on in your head. What is your inner dialogue? What thoughts are preoccupying your mind? A good practice for this through a thought tracker. This tool will help you document and explore your thoughts in a more systematic way. Start by listing the dates, and describe the situation that led you to overthink. Who were you with? Where were you? What happened? Stick with facts and events, not your negative interpretation for what happened. For example, a fact is that I made a type, whereas an interpretation is I am horrible at my job. Next, list the though that came up because of the event. It will take some time and practice to be aware of your inner dialogue, but do your best to log the stories going through your head. Maybe you are thinking, I am never going to make it, or I am not good enough. Whatever it is, to document it on your tracker. It is your safe space, no one else is going to see it. Finally, check the box as to what type of overthinking your thoughts represent. Is it rumination, future tripping, or analysis paralysis? As you pay more attention to your thoughts, do not get hooked into overthinking them. Remember that your goal is to become more aware of your habitual thinking while having a healthy attachment. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.